Good morning, everyone. It's 40 something degrees outside, but that's okay. Today is free workshop day at 1 o'clock this afternoon. I have put the link if you want to join us live there. We go live at 1 o'clock. You can join us live at 1 or pop in thereafter. Over the course of the last 24 hours, I have received 4 new books and 3 new authors. I have finished working on Sierra Benson's book. It's absolutely amazing. It is not just for women, I will put it that way. This book is just over the top, beautifully written. It is filled with history, and just I'm going to give y'all a little backstory to the foundation of this book. For those of you who remember, during World War II, there was a group of soldiers sent over by America under Patton, and they were called the Monument Men. And they were sent over to recover stolen artwork that Hitler had absconded with. Sierra's taken that piece of history and crafted a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful work of fiction. I cannot wait to get it out there. And it's not just for women. Yeah, you got strong women involved, but it also has some action for the guys. Just saying. Yesterday I also got, actually I have 5 new books. Darlene JoJo sent me her new book called Unboxed. Probably going to make it a little graphic novel. Behind that I got Mary Brotherton's son Aaron's new book. Behind that I received 2 children's books by a lady by the name of Ann T. Forgot what she writes under. I just put it in its folder and moved on about my day because I was so busy. So we are growing, ladies and gentlemen, by leaps and bounds. I've been up since 4 o'clock this morning because I couldn't sleep. I had Sierra's book on my mind. Hi, Dar. And I could not sleep. So I'm living off of coffee and adrenaline. Boxed In. Thank you, Dar. Thank you. Her book is called Boxed In. I'm running off of coffee and no sleep. So thank you for clarifying that for me. I don't know why I had Unboxed on my mind. But anyway, we are growing. And we are growing a little bit faster than we grew last year, but not overwhelmingly so. On our YouTube, we're at 4,052,770 views. That's a possible 4 million views, 4 million sales for all of you all. We are still at 18 books sold, which is fine. We're only in the 10th day of the month. We still have 18 more days to go. And we are in 11 countries. I highly, highly encourage y'all to share everything I've put up, to share each other's work, to share the 7-second videos, because those things are being viewed like crazy. They are absolutely our biggest marketing tool. And I've been watching the response that has been coming across my news feed about Budweiser's commercial. Now, I'm older than the Super Bowl. Super Bowl started when I was in my 30s. I'm in my 70s. So I've watched the Super Bowl evolve. I've also seen Budweiser evolve. And their brand is not beer. That's what they sell. Their brand is Anheuser-Busch, and their brand is the Clydesdales, the Dalmatian, and the eagle. Because if you look on their logo, there's an American eagle right in the middle of Anheuser-Busch. What they did with this latest commercial that had absolutely no words in it, none, is they rebranded their brand at a time where some of us are at sixes and sevens with each other. They took two iconic things, the Clydesdale, which is a workhorse, and the eagle, which is our symbol of freedom, and put them together. They showed unity in that commercial. I saw that commercial before it ever came on the TV. I saw it when it was released early. Whoever their marketing people are, they're brilliant. Because those of us who happened upon it already knew what was coming, but the chill bumps are still there. This is what I try to do with all of y'all. I am human, I make mistakes, but this is what I try to do for all of y'all, is give the readers, potential readers, chill bumps when they see your books. I do not market to a specific demographic. I market to the masses. The demographics will find you. I'm not going to be on here long because I got a lot of work to do between now and the time I go live at 1 o'clock. I've got more books to put up. I've got to see if Sierra's going to send me the book covers she wants to use for her book. And then we'll go from there. But know this, we are growing. I'm so proud of all of y'all. So until 1 o'clock, get ready to join us. And don't forget, tomorrow's the podcast at 9:30, because Sherry Richardson is going to be our guest at 9:30. We had to do a special time because she has to go do something at 10:30. So that was the reason we pushed it up to 9:30. So until tomorrow, or maybe later on the day if I get a hot minute, maybe after the workshop, I'll jump back on here for a minute. But just know this, I want all of your book covers to do the same thing that Budweiser Anheuser-Busch did when I saw that commercial. I want people to get chill bumps. Have the day you deserve. And may people be as kind to you as you are to them. You're welcome, Dar. So until tomorrow, or maybe later on today, mwah.